Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I will show you how to create an oversized tote bag using Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online vector design tool to create technical fashion sketches by repurposing existing design. Now let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, repurpose. We kick off by selecting a fresh canvas to prepare our workspace. Our inspiration: the iconic Bottega Veneta oversized tote bag. Dragging an image onto our canvas, resizing it a bit, and placing it on one side. Alright, let's find a tote bag sketch with a similar shape in our design library. Repsketch boasts an extensive vector-ready design collection contributed by our community. This women's oversized tote bag looks like a perfect match, so let's use it as our base design and drag it in. Step 2, remix. Let's start by getting rid of the extra views on our tote bag for now. Now, let's enhance our bag by adding trims. Check the components pane library, specifically the functional trims category. I found a tote bag handle that looks just like our reference image, so let's use it. Place this handle at the top of the bag, ungroup, and resize it to blend seamlessly. Duplicate the handle, resize, and adjust it to fit the back panel. Now, double-click on the bag body to reveal the vector nodes. Adjust them to blend smoothly with the handle. Reposition nodes and use them to curve outlines where needed. I've added new nodes using the Add Node tool. For a deeper dive into creating and editing vector paths, check out my other video. Now that our design is taking shape, let's add some color to the bag using the Color toolbar. Inspired by our reference, let's add a seam line in the center. Turn on the toggle grid for accuracy. Use the Create or Edit Path tool to draw a straight line at the center. Duplicate it for a parallel seam line. Reduce the stroke width and change the style to dotted lines. Now let's create a weave-like pattern. Draw diagonal lines, reduce the stroke width, duplicate for parallel lines, and create a crisscross effect. Repeat to cover the entire bag. Add colors to the handle to match the bag's body. Explore the components pane for a finishing touch. I found a round tab component that looks great, so let's use it. Place it at the top, aligned at the center, and resize for a seamless fit. Add color to match the bag. Head to the components pane again for a metal tab at the base. Resize, rotate, place on one side, duplicate for the other, and add color. Duplicate the front to create the back sketch. Adjust the round tab, delete seam lines, and add a zipper from functional trims at the center back. Group everything together, head to Design Properties, add a name, description, and relevant tags. We encourage users to make their work public for others to get inspired or repurpose. And that's it. Your design is ready to be saved. Step 3, render. Now comes the exciting part. Head to your profile, access your saved designs, and open the view page of your sketch. Click on the magic wand icon to generate an AI image of your creation. Tweak the description, hit generate, and witness the magic. Explore the photorealistic image using the interactive bar. Customize the description for desired results and easily set or remove the image as your sketch cover. Download or delete these visual wonders as you please. This is how Repsketch empowers your vector design skills in the most user-friendly way. Do check out our other video tutorials if you found this helpful, and use the comment section below for any questions or suggestions on what we should create next. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey.